Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Argia Madrika Putra with student ID number 2024320091 from the Class C Information System Department. Here I want to explain two Python programs, and for the first program here. For the first program is designed to display student biodata using a list in the Python programming language. And for step-by-step code is for the first line biodata, it's the declaring the biodata list or the array. This line creates a name list biodata to store several pieces of personal information about the student. A list in Python enclosed in square brackets here, and the content elements is separated by commas. And the elements in the biodata list are indexed as follows for biodata. Start from biodata 0 until the last one. And for the first one is name, and the second one is place and date of birth, student ID number, major, class, and hometown. And for the second line is print biodata mahasiswa. The print function is used to display text on screen. And in this case, the text biodata mahasiswa is displayed as the program title. And for the third line until the last line is printing the each index from the array. And for the first one, the print function is to print the text name followed by the value biodata 0 or index in biodata 0, which is Argia Madrika Putra, and the comma in the print function separates the text and the variable being displayed, and followed by other index like class, date and birth, student ID number, hometown, class, and major. It uses the index to call the array, like the first one, index 0 calls the name, place, date of birth, and etc. And when the code is executed in Spider, the following output will be displayed like this. Here. Oops. Sorry. It will show your biodata starting name until hometown. And for the second program, is the following program is to calculate the area and perimeter of trigonometric shapes. I choose parallelogram, triangle, and a circle. And for a step-by-step code is for the first one, importing the math library. The math module is imported to access mathematical constants and functions such as math_p for phi. And for the second one is calculating the area and perimeter of parallelogram. In the third line is the base of the parallelogram here, and then the side of parallelogram and the height. And it shows the formula for the area, it's base times height, and then for the last one is the perimeter of a parallelogram, it's 2 times base plus side. And then line 9 until 11, it displaying the results. These lines print the area and perimeter of the parallelogram, and for the print one is used to separate outputs for the readability for adding space from each formula and prints. And then for the second one, it's calculating the area and perimeter of the triangle. Same for the line 13 until 16 is I'm sorry, 15 is the three sides of the triangle, and then starting 16 is the height of the triangle, and then for 17 is the area of triangle, and then for the last one, the perimeter of triangle. Now for the area of the triangle is calculated using 0.5 times base times height, and then for the perimeter of a triangle is sum of all sides. And then for the displaying the result is the same, but in here I called the integer for the for the area of the triangle, because it ensures the area is displayed as an integer, not decimal or etc. And for the last one is calculating the area and perimeter of a circle. And for the r is the radius of circle or line 24, and then for the next one is the area of a circle calculated by using phi times radius. And then for the last one is the circumferences of a circle is 2 times phi times radius. And the last one still the same, displaying the results using integer, which the integer ensure the results are displayed as whole numbers, not decimal and etc. And then prints the area as usual, and print the last one. It's not using the print like this because it's the last one to calculate, and then it will be like this. And for the program, it will be executed like this in Spider. Nah, it will show you the parameter and the area of parallelometer, and then the triangle and the circle. Let's see if we don't use the integer, it will be like this. It doesn't show the whole numbers or an integer number, because it will be either 11.0, 0.1 and etc. That's why I use integer, because the integer ensures the results to be a whole number or yes, an integer. Boom. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.